Hola! Welcome to Number Play. Lesson 7. Place value 10,000s place. Attractive. So at the end of this lesson, you will be able to know what is place value 10,000s, and you will be able to demonstrate place value 10,000s using beating board and beating blocks. Then you can answer worksheets independently. Materials. So these are the materials you need for this lesson. First, you need your number place at 1, and you need your beating board, and of course you need your pencil. Then you need either a tablet, cell phone, or laptop. You also need the beating blocks. So you need a unit, a rod, a flat, cube, and a bar. Worksheet. So take note of these pages of your workbook because you are going to answer these pages after this lesson. Okay, for your lesson, watch this video. Place value. When we see place value, it means the value in which a digit is in the number. Now, here are the materials for this lesson. We need this beating board, and as you can see, there we add another place value which is 10,000s, and we also need the beating blocks. We already met the unit, the rod, the flat, and the cube, and this time we will meet a new block, and it is the bar, and 1 bar is equal to 10,000. Again, 1 bar is equal to 10,000. Now let's start the lesson about place value. We are now on 10,000s place. And remember that 1 bar is equal to 10,000. I repeat, 1 bar is equal to 10,000. Now I will show you how to set up bar on its place value. To set up, we need this beating board and of course the bar, which is our block. Now, I set up 1, 2, 3. So just like the other blocks, bar also has a house, and its house is in thousands place. Now let's count how many blocks I set up, and we will start on the units place. Since there are no unit I place here, so I simply put 0 below its place. Same with tens, hundreds, and thousands. Then proceed to 10,000s place, and we have here 3 bars. Now, as you can see, we have here 6 digits, and going back to the rule of placing a comma, we simply count 3 digits starting from the right. So we will place the comma this place. Now let's see the value in each digit. Now, let's start on the units since it's 0, so the value for 0 is 0. Same with tens, hundreds, and also for thousands. And then proceed to 10,000s. Since we have here 3 bars, and again, 1 bar is equal to 10,000. And we have here 3 bars, so the value of 3 bars is 30,000. Okay, now let's proceed to another example. So I set up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have here 5 bars. Again, to start counting the blocks, let's start on the units place. And again, there are no unit on the units place, so we simply put 0. Same with tens, hundreds, and thousands. Then we have here 5 bars, and the comma will be placed in between on hundreds and thousands place. Now this time, let's see the value for each digit. Now for units, we have here 0, same with tens, also for hundreds, and for thousands. Then let's proceed to bars, and we have here 5 bars, so the value for 5 bars is 50,000. So we simply add 10,000 5 times. So it becomes 50,000. So the total value in all is 50,000. Now this time, to make this activity more fun and engaging, let's put some unit on units place. Same with tens, we put rods and flats on hundreds place and cubes for thousands place, then bars on 10,000s place. Now let's count how many blocks we set in each place value. For units, we have here 4 units, and for tens, we have here 5 rods, and for hundreds place, we have here 4 flats, and for thousands place, we have here 3 cubes, and for 10,000s place, we have here 3 bars. Then the comma will be placed in between the thousands and hundreds place. Now let's see the value in each digit. Now let's start on the units place. Since we have here 4 units and the value for 4 units is 4, and for 5 rods in tens place, the value for 5 rods is 50, since 1 rod is equal to 10, so we simply add 10 5 times. And for hundreds place, we have here 4 flats, and the value for 4 flats is 400. Since 1 flat is equal to 100, we simply add 100 4 times, so it becomes 400. And for thousands place, we have here 3 cubes, and the value for 3 cubes is 3000, since 1 cube is equal to 1000, so we simply add 1000 3 times, so it becomes 3000. And for bars, we have here 3 bars, so the value for 3 bars is 30,000. Since 1 bar is equal to 10,000, again we simply add 10,000 3 times, and the total value in all is 33,454. Now this time, I set up you count and give me the value. Again, I set up you count and give me the value. Are you ready? Now let's start. Set. Now, how many units we have here? If your answer is 3, then you're right. How about bars? How about rods on the tens place? How many? If your answer is 4, then you're right. And how about flats on hundreds place? Great job, it's 3. And how about cube on thousands place? If your answer is 2, great job. And for 10,000s place, how many bars I have here? If your answer is 4, then you're right. Now, where we will put the comma? Yes, you're right, in between the thousands and the hundreds place. Now, give me the value for each place value. Let's start with units. What's the value for 3 units? If your answer is 3, then you're right. How about 4 rods? What's the value for 4 rods? Great job, it's 40. Now how about for 3 flats? What's the value for 3 flats? Yes, you're right, it's 300. Now let's proceed to thousands place. We have here 2 cubes. Now what's the value for 2 cubes? If your answer is 2000, then you're right. Now for 10,000s place, we have here 4 bars. Now what's the value for 4 bars? If your answer is 40, then 40,000, then you're right. Now the total value is 42,343. Great job. Okay, last one. Set. Now count how many blocks I set in each place value and give me the value in each block. Okay, let's start with the numbers of blocks I set up in each place value. Let's start with units. How many units we have here? If your answer is 7, then you're right. How about rods, tens place? If your answer is 6, then you're right. and let's proceed to hundreds place. How many flats I have here? Yes, it's 4. And for thousands place, how many cubes? Great job, it's 4. Now in 10,000s place, how many bars I have here? Splendid, it's 5. Now let's see the value in each digit. Now give me the value in each digit. Let's start with the units place. We have here 7 units. Now what's the value for 7 units? Yes, you're right, it's 7. And for 6 rods, what's the value? Great job, 60. And for 4 flats, what's the value? Well done, it's 400. And for thousands place, we have here 4 cubes. What's the value for 4 cubes? Yes, way to go, it's 4,000. And for bars, we have here 5 bars. Now what's the value for 5 bars? Amazing, it's 50,000. Now what's the total value in all? It's 54,467. Great job, did a great job. Well done. And now it's activity time. Now for your activity A, you have to video yourself while demonstrating and setting up 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens, and units using beating board and the beating blocks. Make at least 2 examples in each place value. Make sure you speak up, speak clear, and speak fast. And don't forget to have fun, okay? And for your activity 2, you have to answer pages 13 and 14 of your worksheet, number place set 1. See these pages? When done, take a picture and submit to Dojo. I know you can do it, so do your best. Au revoir!